ने ड्रोन ट्रेनिंग हमारे एनसीसी सिलेबस के अंदर इंक्लूड कर दिया है। जो यहाँ एनसीसी की ट्रेनिंग हुई है वेस्ट बंगाल एंड सिक्किम डायरेक्टरेट में, मैंने उसकी जानकारी ली है। और हमारा अभी सिलेबस रिवीजन हुआ है, कैसे हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, कैसे जो एनसीसी का विस्तार हो रहा है उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, उसकी जानकारी ली है। और यहाँ पे अभी कैडेट्स का जो इंटर बटालियन और इंटर ग्रुप कंपटीशन हुआ, उसके अंदर उनको प्राइजेस दिए गए। और हाल ही में जो वाइब्रेंट विलेज प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है सरकार ने, उसमें एनसीसी बढ़ चढ़कर इधर और नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन में एनसीसी बढ़ चढ़कर कैसे हिस्सा ले सकती है, इसके बारे में मैंने डिस्कशन करी है। और ओवरऑल मैं जो यहाँ एनसीसी के कैडेट्स हैं और जो हम ट्रेनिंग दे पा रहे हैं, हमने नई नई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ट्रेनिंग की सुविधा हासिल करी है। तो ओवरऑल आई एम हैप्पी विद द स्टार्ट। ने ड्रोन ट्रेनिंग हमारे एनसीसी सिलेबस के अंदर इंक्लूड कर दिया है। और हम अभी जो है हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स की ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं और रीजनल ट्रेनिंग हब्स बनाएंगे जहां हमारे कैडेट्स को इसके बारे में ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी। और इसके अंदर हम कंपटीशन भी करेंगे। और दो प्रकार से ट्रेनिंग होगी, एक कैसे ड्रोन को उड़ाया जाए, दूसरा उसको कैसे बनाया जाए, उसकी कैसे मेंटेनेंस और रिपेयर करी जाए। ये दोनों जानकारी हम अपने कैडेट्स को देंगे। तो इस बार का जो हमारा ये ट्रेनिंग का जो सिलेबस रिवीजन हो रहा है, उसमें हम कैडेट्स को अपना अपना फिजिकली कैसे अपने आप को ख्याल रख सकें और मेंटली अपना कैसे ख्याल रख सकें, उस वेलबींग के बारे में भी हमने इंक्लूड किया गया है। तो हर जगह मैं कैडेट्स को बोलता हूँ, स्क्रीन टाइम कम करो और अपना फिजिकल टाइम, एक्टिविटीज़ का जो टाइम है और जो सोने का टाइम है उसको बढ़ाओ। तो इसके बारे में हम कैडेट्स को थोड़ा अवगत कराएंगे। और एनसीसी में रह के उनको अपने शरीर का कैसा ध्यान रखना है और क्या फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड अचीव करके बरकरार रखने हैं, इसका भी हम स्टैंडर्ड्स इस नए सिलेबस में इंक्लूड करें। बिल्डिंग हर साल हमारे साथ 6 से 7 लाख कैडेट्स ज्वाइन करते हैं और उसके बाद तकरीबन 10,000 कैडेट्स अग्निवीर आते हैं, ऑफिसर बनते हैं। बाकी विभिन्न जगह में जाके अपनी देश की सेवा करते हैं। जो इनकी सिखलाई एनसीसी में होती है, तो हमारा पूरा सिखलाई का मुद्दा दो है। एक, इनको कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नागरिक बनाना, और देश फर्स्ट, नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना उनके बारे में। एनसीसी प्राइवेट जॉब में भी जाओ, एनसीसी ज्वाइन करके वी विल ट्रेन यू टू बी अ बेटर सिटीजन। और काफ़ी इंस्टीट्यूशन है वेटिंग लिस्ट में एनसीसी में आने के लिए। तो वी एनकरेज कैडेट्स टू जॉइन। And
we have the individual awards of DG Commendation Card. CQMS Baby Bowri. CQMS Baby Bowri has notable achievements, including securing silver medal in 2024 in Inter-Directorate Service Shooting Competition in IDSSC in the East Side program. She has been selected for AIGVMSC 2024. Next up, we have the award of the DG NCC Medallion. SUO Shankar Kisku. SUO Shankar Kisku has brought immense pride to 53 Bengal Battalion NCC by excelling in the prestigious Republic Day Parade 2025. His remarkable dedication, discipline and passion for the NCC has earned him notable recognition. Moreover, his motivation and leadership have been inspiring other cadets CSI and excel in NCC activities. CSUO Prince Raj Gupta represented the West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate in the Republic Day Camp 2025, where he participated in the Kartavya Path event as the left marker of the contingent. He won silver medal in the inter-youth competition in the Best Cadet event. He had participated in the Air Force. Lieutenant Aditya Raj has led impactful initiatives like blood donation camps, tree plantation drives, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He organized Trust Aid campaigns during heat waves, distributing glucose water to communities. Under his guidance, cadets have excelled in camps. GCI Rita Mistry has joined the NCC in April 2024 as part of 2 Bengal Girls Battalion. Since joining, she has been actively involved in training of cadets during CATCs and TSC. Apart from her designated duties as GCI, she has organized and actively taken part in numerous SSCG activities to include blood donation camps as the sequence Battalion NCC Asansol of Bardhaman Group. I request Colonel Hidat Sarvaiya, Commanding Officer, along with Subedar Major Ramesh Dande of 10 Bengal Battalion NCC to please come forward and receive the trophy. The best Navy or Air Force NCC unit trophy goes to Bengal Naval Unit of Kosi. I request Commander Nazir Aziz, Commanding Officer, along with PO Malkan Singh of 2 Bengal Naval Unit to please come forward and receive the trophy. Now, the time has come to declare the best NCC group of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate and the best performing NCC group Darjeeling. May I request Brigadier Mukesh Guru, Sena Medal Group Commander, NCC Group Headquarters Darjeeling. May I now request our Director General to please share some thoughts and address our
So what is immediately which is going to happen is the revision of the syllabus that we have finished. It has taken us about more than 2 years to revise the syllabus, and now we are into the final printing of the pressing. We have gone in for about 30% of new edition, and we have gone in for 70% roughly of improvement of the existing syllabus. So some new things have been put in, especially on how to live with nature, how to look after yourself, on physical fitness. So those kind of things. So that Presi I was just reading while coming that Presi for you. I find it interesting how to, especially the aspect of how to look after yourself, your physical well-being. Are you able to hear me in the last?
Yes,
Okay. We are also including a page as to what should be your physical standards while you are in NCC. While you will not be judged, हम आपको उसका टेस्ट नहीं लेंगे, टेस्ट का, बट हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि आप अपने आप को फिट रखो और वो फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड जो है अपना we will expect you to reach that physical standards on your own and maintain your own record. Little bit of skill has come in, little bit of military history has come in. We'll try to give you some indicators of the wars which this great nation has won. इसके बारे में आपको बताएंगे कि लड़ाई कैसी हुई और हम कहाँ हमने फतेह और जीत हासिल करी. तो this is one thing which is going to be rolled out immediately. Drone training we had started just now. We have already had a set of instructors which have been trained, and drone training competition is being introduced, and we are going to come in a big way for drone training. For the instructions for drone training has already been taken. I used to interact, you all used to tell me you wanted to do lot of adventure activities. We have got 500% increase in adventure activities in NCC. From 500% increase, we'll still not be able to give adventure exposure to each one of you, but we have gone in for a major increase, and so that majority, like our if you all are following our expedition is already in Nepal. Are you following our mountain expedition? Okay, NCC mountain expedition is already in Nepal. They are en route to the Everest base camp, and maybe next week sometime they are going to make an attempt for Everest. There is one cadet from Sikkim in this. One cadet from Sikkim. It's girl or a boy cadet? Girl cadet who has been selected for that Everest expedition. So your entitlement of ammunition also we have increased, so at least you can make you fire more. Your inputs used to come for your exams and all. We've gone in for OMR. It appears to be better, so that at least the results are inside are more. We have gone in to increase our simulators. Wherever firing is not feasible, we have gone in for one more. We are going to increase simulator more based on your demand. This is what's happening. As far as training of other was entitlement of your dress allowance. From this year, private colleges, government colleges, all will get dress allowance. So whatever cadets were enrolled in this year, when we are going to enroll, we are going to give dress allowance by the month of November, December. Last year, enrolled cadets we have already given. Whosoever data was with us, we have given it till March. Our offices were working overtime to ensure we were able to clear all the pending issues. But just send a message, especially the cadets, please open your accounts fast and give your correct details. We had about 50,000 rejections because of incorrect addresses, bank details and addresses. So, and this dress allowance every year is going to increase based on inflation. We'll keep on, and also please buy dress from the dress allowance. That was one. We are also focusing on making training academies, giving you more infrastructure in training academies, can train you well. Ad hoc arrangement for training does not augur well. उसमें अच्छी तरह से ट्रेनिंग नहीं हो सकती. जैसे ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी है, एक है, हम देख रहे हैं कैसे और आपको दे सकें ताकि आपकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाए. Expansion is happening, more vacancy will come. It's good to see girls participation also increasing. So here we have crossed 45% already. Good. So we have reached a stage of almost बराबरी. So जो मेहनत करेगा आगे जाएगा. So that is all. That is, I think, so all which is in offering. The next step is to improve our training infrastructure in both the OTS for the ANOs who get trained, and so that we can train them well. That will take about 4-5 years. We want to build a state of infrastructure both at Gwalior and Kamptee, and maybe when the girls cadet comes after becoming alumni, you will find the infrastructure for the girls in RD camp also better. We are in the process of addressing that. Army attachment, service attachment also we have increased. This point used to come, you want to now another focus area which is happening is NCC participation in the Vibrant Village program. The Vibrant Village program has just been launched by the government, and all the villages who are part of Vibrant Village program, the NCC cadets would go there and participate in all the government activities, schemes which are happening. We are in the process of making detailed plan from that. What excites you more, traveling in AC third tier or adventure activities? Okay. So this is, now tell me, what do you want more? Where do you want our focus? Cadets can tell me. Keshav, we want to do this thing more, we want to do this kind of training more. Yes, like, you know, I got a feedback from you, or you wanted to do para jump more. We couldn't do, para jump takes too much of training and effort. Those resources are not available. But we have gone in for a parasailing in the interim, and to ensure that you know, some of you get exposure akin to that. Not same, but akin to that. So parasailing and also scuba diving. These are two things we will increase further this year. Please follow the path of एडवेंचर कैडेट्स. जब भी मौका मिलता है, अपनी फिजिकल फिटनेस का ख्याल और एडवेंचर और हॉबी करने का जो जिम्मेवारी है आपकी है. लीड अ एंजॉयबल एंड एडवेंचरस लाइफ. करो, चैलेंज योरसेल्फ, जिंदगी जियो. मोबाइल से बाहर निकल के जिंदगी जियो. मोबाइल के बाहर की जिंदगी ज्यादा अच्छी है. लीव द मोबाइल फॉर सम टाइम, बी विद नेचर. Push your body to limits. You will enjoy the mobile better maybe. So give me your recommendation. I'll take it home. Anybody? They say, I want to do this more training. Come. Anything you want to tell me. Any recommendations to improve training? Yes, yes.
सर नेवी का जो पीआरसीएम या रिप्रेसर कोर्स कोचिंग या विशाखापट्टनम में पहले हुआ, वहाँ पे लेवल का एक्सपोजर था, लेकिन अभी जो रिप्रेसर कोर्स कंपनी में है
उसमें कम है, तो वो इस बार से वो होगा शुरू. दैट पॉइंट इज विद मी. जैसे एयरफोर्स वाले जाते हैं कोचीन में या ताम्रम में, तो नेवी वाले भी जाएंगे. बीच में छूट गया था, अगेन विल फॉलो. दैट पॉइंट इज विद मी. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? बट नेवल शिप्स, attachment in naval ships and naval establishment is increasing. जो भी कोस्ट गार्ड की जो भी शिप जाती है OSD डिप्लॉयमेंट के लिए विदेश में, उसमें NCC कैडेट्स जाते हैं. So your attachments, your sea exposure is going to increase multifold. और कुछ? Anything? Any other recommendation cadets want to tell me? That C certificate exam should be much tough. Anything you want to tell me, I'll take it from here. How was the exam this year? Anybody, all those who appeared in B certificate, how was it? Okay. Anything you want to tell me? If not, then cadets, 2-3 things, just a guidance, one word of advice. Firstly is, after you have worn this uniform, especially after you have worn this uniform, the aspect of nation first. देश प्रेम की भावना यूनिफॉर्म वाले की बिल्कुल ही उच्च कोटि की होनी चाहिए. You understood? After you have joined this organization, this wonderful organization, जब तक आप इस organization में हो, इस organization से बाहर जाते हो, कहीं भी जाते हो, याद रखना सबसे प्रथम है देश. देश के आगे कुछ नहीं, ऊपर सबसे क्या है? देश. उसके बाद सारे माँ बाप, भाई बहन, कास्ट, रिलीजन, स्टेट, फ्रूट, आफ्टर दैट. फर्स्ट इज कंट्री, ओनली कंट्री, इट स्टॉप्स एट दैट. दैट इज ऑल. सेकेंडली, द एस्पेक्ट ऑफ नॉट गिविंग अप. यू नो, you all are in that position where there is an apprehension to try new thing. I have faith कुछ गड़बड़ होगी. फेल होने से मत डरो. Don't worry about failing. Don't worry about falling down. Worry about giving up. आप लोग इसके बाद जब आपको जिंदगी की लड़ाई लड़नी है, लड़ते लड़ते सबको चोट लगती है. वो चोट ठीक भी हो जाती है. वो चोट उसकी खराब करती है जो उठ के आगे फिर नहीं लड़ता. Just don't give up. Don't be worried एग्जाम में नंबर कम आए, उसको ज़्यादा आ गए, मेरे को वहाँ कॉल आ गई, ये नहीं आई. Just don't give up. लगे रहो. You will get your success. So ये दो चीज. And thirdly, look after your health. अच्छी कसरत करो. 1 घंटा. You should sweat. Sweat to the extent you challenge your body. मतलब मन से ये आना चाहिए कि सिर्फ इतना ही है, मैं इसे और भी कर सकता हूँ. And secondly, sleep well, eat well, and stay positive. You know, you have your complete life. You have got this wonderful life ahead, and you have got the youth. You have got that youth power with you. So just don't give up. So I'm very happy to be with you all. And secondly, congratulations everybody who has done well, and all those who have not done well.
दुशासन, जीत भद्रश्री, स्वयं तुम जाओ और उस 5 पतियों वाली को बालों से पकड़कर घसीटते हुए आओ. जो आज्ञा भ्राताश्री.
सर्वशक्तिमान, हे योगेश्वर, मेरी लाज बचा, मेरी लाज बचा गिरधारी. हे कृष्ण. ये केश तब तक खुले रहेंगे जब तक तुम में से कोई अपनी अंजलि भर दुशासन की छाती का लहू लाकर मुझसे ये ना कहेगा कि पांचाली ये लो दुशासन की छाती का लहू और इनसे अपनी केशों का बंद हो डालो.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. जब जब धर्म को हानि होती है, जब जब अधर्म में वृद्धि होती है, तब तब सत्पुरुषों के उद्धार के लिए, अधर्मियों के विनाश के लिए और धर्म की पुनः स्थापना के लिए मैं ही जन्म लेता. ये प्रत्येक युग में होता आया है और आज